In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a post on LinkedIn. If you've already published something on LinkedIn and noticed a typo, want to reword part of your message, or simply need to update the content, the good news is that LinkedIn makes it pretty easy to edit an existing post. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can make your changes quickly and confidently. To begin, open LinkedIn and go to your profile page. This is where your personal content, including your published posts, is the easiest to find. Once you're on your profile, take a moment to look through the page until you find the section that shows your activity or your posts. Next, scroll down until you see the post you want to update. Depending on how active you are on LinkedIn, you may need to scroll a little or open your post feed to locate the exact post. It helps to double check that you've selected the right one before making any edits, especially if several of your posts are on similar topics. When you find the post, look for the three-dot menu, usually located in the upper corner of the post. Click that menu to open the available options. This menu contains the actions you can take for that specific post, including editing it. From the drop-down menu, click on Edit Post. This will open the post in editing mode so you can update the text. At this point, you can make whatever changes you need, whether that means correcting spelling, improving wording, adding missing information, or making the post clearer and more polished. As you edit, try to keep the message concise and professional, especially if the post is meant for networking, job searching, or business communication. It's also a good idea to reread the full post before saving, just to make sure everything flows well and says exactly what you want it to say. Once your changes are complete, click Save. LinkedIn will then update the live version of your post with the edits you've just made. After saving, it's worth taking one final look at the post as it appears on your profile to confirm that the formatting and wording look right. And that's all there is to it. Editing a post on LinkedIn is a simple process. Go to your profile, find the post, open the three-dot menu, choose Edit Post, make your changes, and save. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.